Experiencing no service on your Vodafone iPhone means your device can't connect to the Vodafone cellular network. This typically indicates issues with SIM card, carrier settings, or signal and network problems. The main causes are SIM card issues, carrier setting problems, or signal and network problems. First, ensure your SIM card is properly inserted and not damaged. Next, check for carrier settings updates in Settings, General, About. Finally, make sure you're in an area with adequate Vodafone coverage, and if necessary, reset your network settings. These steps address most common causes. If problems persist, contact Vodafone directly. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Vodafone no service issue, try these advanced fixes. First, contact Vodafone for a SIM swap, especially if you suspect SIM corruption. Second, ensure your iPhone's software is up to date, as iOS updates often include Vodafone-specific fixes. Looking ahead, the trend is towards eSIMs, which reduce physical SIM issues. AI-driven diagnostics in iOS can proactively suggest fixes based on usage patterns. Vodafone is working on network densification and 6G readiness for seamless service in weak areas. Expect fewer no-service issues as Vodafone adopts advanced cloud-based network solutions.